Now what I'm gonna do is stick a block under the wheel and disconnect this, and then I might jump in it and
Try to roll it where you want to.
see if I can get you to, maybe you can kick the block out and I can roll it in here, but I gotta move Mike's car out first.
Yeah.
You just keep it running if you want. It's all good to do.
All right, we're gonna put the babies inside just cause.
Okay. You can do that and
I don't wanna risk you know.
Right. Here you go. I gave you this part.
Is it running? Is it on?
It's on.
We tested the brakes, so hopefully the brakes work on this before he starts rolling it.
Now what I'm gonna do is get in here and hold the brakes and let you kick these boards out.
Is it two?
There's two.
One on each side?
But I want to be in there first. And if you want me to hold the camera while you kick them out, I will. Just so your hands are free. Want me to hold that?
Kick the boards out?
Yeah, and they may have a little pressure on them, so you might have to kind of kick them with the heel of your foot. Okay, so I'm gonna see if it'll just roll right in there.
Yep.
Okay, no, but that's close enough because I kind of want to rinse it off anyway. There's so much dirt on it. So what I'll
Yeah.
I'll rinse it down and then I'll pull it
Okay.
in with a I got a machine, little pulling.
You got a something.
I got something.
You got something.
Yeah.
It is dirty. I was wondering about
Yeah,
that.
I was thinking if I hose it
Yeah.
down,
Yeah.
I'll wind up wearing a lot less of that dirt.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
That's a start. Ah, ah, happy dance. Happy dance. Yeah, the hope is we pull it in and drive it out. That's the plan.
Yeah. Clean
Yeah.
her up.
Yeah, I'll clean her up first.
Clean her up.
Squirt her down good.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.